Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the presentation in its cloud location. This avoids dead links. Once open in the web or sync desktop app, choose Share immediately. You do this because the web interface exposes link controls and permission options that desktop save as cannot. Once done, select the file, click Share and pause. Do not copy yet. Make sure your account is the one with permission to change link settings so downstream recipients can access it. You now control who can see and do what. This matters for security and collaboration. Start by picking the correct scope: anyone for public sharing, organization only for internal use, or specific people for restricted access. Then pick the role: view to protect content, edit to collaborate. If available, set an expiration or password for temporary access. Once configured, click Get Link and copy to clipboard. Make sure to note the permission type, so you can explain access expectations. You finish by pasting the link where recipients will use it and adding brief access instructions. Once sent, verify by opening the link in an incognito window or a secondary account to confirm permissions behave as intended. If recipients report issues, check 3 common causes: wrong permission scope, an expired or password-protected link, or the file not yet synced to the cloud. If that fails, recreate the link after fixing permissions. This usually resolves access errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.